Hello everyone, how are you? We are from Group 4. Today, we will present the material about tenses. First of all, we need to understand what is tense. Tense is a verb-based method used to indicate the time and sometimes the continuation or completeness of an action or state in relation to the time speaking. There are 12 types of verb tenses in English.
Okay, I want to explain the past tenses. 1. Simple present tense. With this tense, you can explain the action, even conditions that are happening in the present. For example, she plays the piano. He plays cricket. 2. Present continuous tense. It will be describing the ongoing action that are still going. For example, Maria is eating. David is playing cricket.
Okay, I want to explain four tenses is present perfect tense, present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. With this tense, you can indicate action that began in the past and continues in the present. For example, she has played the piano. I have completing the homework. And then present continuous tense. In this tense, you can describe the actions, events or moments that have been taking place for some time and it is still ongoing. For example, she has been playing the piano. He has been completing his homework. Having finished the brief of all the four present tense, let's now move on to the second type of tense which called as past tense. Here we'll discuss the four types of past tense with sentence examples. With this tense, you can describe the actions, moments, or events that have happened in the past.
Today I will explain about simple past tense. In the simple past tense, you can explain any event, moment, actions that have happened in the past. For example, she played the piano yesterday. He ate all the apples 2 hours ago. And next, simple past continuous tense. Simple past continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that is ongoing in the past. For example, she was playing the piano. He was completing his homework.
Today, I would like to tell you about the past perfect tense. Do you know about the past perfect tense? Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah, true. So, for lesson today, I would like to tell you about the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is a tense that experience an event that has occurred in the past and was complied in the past. So if you are want to use past perfect tense, you need formula. In tense is you use had plus verb 3. Remember this. Had and verb 3. In tense interrogative, you use had plus s, like use I, you, they, we. And in negative tense, you use had and not, like I, you, they, we. Remember this. And for example, past perfect tense is number one is I had gone to Surabaya with my friends. The K is I had gone, like that. And number two is I had done my homework before 9. I had done my homework before 9. The case is before 9. Okay. And number 3 is the little boy had fallen before I helped him. The K is the little boy had fallen before because even in the past. And number 4 is he said that this brother had washed the car. And number 5 is the rain had come before I leave. So, did you understand for this material about the past perfect tense? Yeah, if any question you can ask me. Next, for material about tenses, past perfect continuous tense. Did you know about the past perfect continuous tense? Yeah, tell me. Yes. Right. So for past perfect continuous tense is a verb that is used to express a form of action like with a certain duration of time that has been completed at a certain point in time in the past. And for formula, you use had plus been and plus verb ing. Remember this, had plus been and plus verb ing. And for example, I give you number 1 is had I been cooking for 20 minutes yesterday? For interrogative tenses, had I been? Right? Okay. Number 2 is you had been studying in Kampung Inggris before I came in 2014. And number 3 is if it hadn't been raining, we would have played football. We would have played football. Okay. And number 4 is when you came, I had been reading a book. The K is I had been reading a book, like this. So, did you understand for this material about the past perfect continuous tense? Okay.
Today I will talk to you about simple future tense and future continuous tense. What is simple future tense? It is mostly used when we plan to do something. For instance, 1. She will play the piano. 2. He will eat his food. And the next, future continuous tense. It will describe a continuous action that will happen in the future. Happen in the future in simple words. It refers to the action that are ongoing in the future.
For example, number 1, she will be playing the piano after dinner. Second, he will be eating his food after homework completion.
Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is a verb form or construction used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future. Forming the past participle is easy. Just add ed or d to the end of the most regular verbs. For examples, positive. The formula is will plus have plus the past participle. We will have eaten by the time you get home. The group will have finished the project before the funding is cut. Negative. The formula is will plus not plus have plus the past participle. I will not have beaten the army before the winter weather sets in. The store will not have ordered your dress before the ball. Interrogative, asking a question. The formula is will plus subject plus have plus the past participle. Will he have finished when I get home? Will you have learned to tie his shoes before he start the competition? Future perfect continuous tense. This tense indicates all the activities that are ongoing and will be completed at a specific time in the future. For examples, positive. The formula is subject plus will plus have been plus ing or present participle. They will have been playing. The cat will have been sleeping. Negative. The formula is subject plus will plus not plus have been plus ing or present participle. They will not have been playing. The cat won't have been sleeping. Interrogative, asking a question. The formula is will plus subject plus have been plus ing or present participle. Will they have been playing? Will the cat have been sleeping? That's all for today's material. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day.